Here you can see what is tool bat or Modis tool JR. Okay. You will double click on this one, then it will open the Modis tool, MRT tool.
Tôi biết paper tôi xong C gì đó.
Modis Wonder
Wonder
MR bin Modis bed
No,
Yeah.
upper one. Upper one.
ตัวนี้
this
Okay, now the next step is to create this parameter file. To do this one, first we have to open this HDF file as I explained yesterday. Open input file, click on here, okay, open input file and navigate through this one. Where is your data located? I think your data is located in B drive, probably not in C drive. I don't know where is it.
So whichever data you copied, that folder you have to go.
You have to go.
So help yourself. Neighbor, people who doesn't know, just tell them. Because today Tanang is not there to translate. Silap,
Tanang will come late.
yeah, they come late. Silap is there. If they have any question, they can ask you. Okay? Silap, yes. Can you just tell them? If they have any questions, they can ask you. แล้วก็มีอาคารเนี่ยยกเป็นแบบที่
paper ข้อมูลอยู่บิน
อยู่เมื่อวานที่เราเช็ค
ส่งดี
Okay, navigate from here to the main. In your My Computer, you have C drive, D drive, E drive. Likewise, you navigate where you save your data, copy your data. Okay, maybe in D drive, maybe in C drive, E drive. It depends where did you copy. Okay, my data is in C drive. Okay, in Laos. Okay, yeah, in data, Modis Plat, I have this two HDF file. That mapping Modis, you can find two HDF files.
อยู่ basic data ว่ะ
อยู่ data
Now select these
mapping
two.
map Modis
Select one, click on one, then shift, click on the other one, you select both and open it. The appearance is like this. So everybody?
yeah
More than 80% is okay. Now as I told you yesterday, if you want to go through, you read this one later. Okay, these are giving the boundary of the area, all this information. And here, this part is more important. Selected band and the available bands. The selected band means what we are going to extract. Then we need to extract band 1 to band 7 as I explained yesterday. And this quality control band, QC band. Surface reflectance QC underscore 500 meter. You use this one to go down here.
Why should band 01 and band 07?
Sorry?
Why we choose band?
Yeah, these are the surface reflectance data. Okay, these are the 7 bands which are invisible, near infrared, middle and thermal infrared.
Is it TM?
Sorry?
TM.
No, this is Modis.
Okay.
1091.
Is it band 1 and
You have to select band 1 to
No, if you don't select, I'm just showing you. You have this one, band 1 to band 7 and this QC band.
yes.
Okay, we need only those data, but in here you can see some other information what we not needed. What you will do, you select on, click on one here. Okay, press the shift key and click the bottom one. Okay, you can see surface reflectance, day of year. These are not needed. Click on this. Now you will select this 5 layers. Okay, you select these 5 layers. What we don't need. Then you click on this one. Okay, which means we are going to take them into the available band. Now it should look like this. Selected band, you have only 1 to 7 and 500 meter. Other side. Okay.
So,
Sorry?
the selected band is to be used for the calculation. Yes.
No, selected band we are not using for the calculation. The rest is using the available band. So selected band here.
This one is will be calculated.
Yeah.
The selected band.
Selected band. Band 1 to this
So
one.
you should keep your 8 files here. 5 files means we are not going to use that.
Because otherwise you will get very confusion when all this extracted in a single folder. Okay? Everybody?
Right.
Now we have to define where I am going to save this data. Output file, specific output file. Again in the same folder, you go to your C drive. Cloud, data. Okay. This one.
You are not doing this one.
Yeah, saving where?
เขาไปสั่งโฟลเดอร์ใหม่ว่ะ
Sáng cái đấy. Rồi bây giờ chọn cái màu nào.
Never keep the data in desktop. Keep the data not in desktop. You should keep it in the drive.
Yeah, you have to go for where you are going to save the data. You have to use specify output file. Navigate where is your data, D drive, data. You see, allow from data. No, yeah. Plasmatic.
No,
Open the file. Yeah. Open the file. Go to the folder. Okay.
How many of you have done it?
Most of them have done it.
You have done this part up to here.
Yes.
You can help him at this side. Here it's okay. Okay.
Can you increase your brightness? I will explain you. So now you can open your software. Did you install the Modi software? Who installed it? You installed it? But where is the software? Modi tool.
เนี่ย
Stop.
ได้
Hello. Hello. Hello.